trying to provide the fire extinguisher para wala na maduda yung tao. No releases. Eh kung sinabi niya yan, di wala na sana. Ang ginawa niya, he tried to justify ang computation nila. Which may be correct, by the way. Hindi naman mabobo to eh. But the problem is, there was a fire burning. Pag sinabi ng Presidente, hintay ka until public orders. Ang ibig sabihin noon, mag-imbestiga ako in a jiffy. An investigation, sure, we just ask persons about what really happened. Then I can make the decision. But I had to as yet, I had to talk to siya pati si Secretary Guevara.
Okay.
Ang problema niya,